Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the airbag fuse, guys, on that F-150 where it's located now. So if we're going to demonstrate on 2016 model that we have here, you guys have two different fuse boxes. One main fuse box is located under the hood in the engine bay, and if you open that fuse box, it will look like this one. You will, guys, have multiple kinds of fuses and relays that could be really expensive, overpriced, hard to find. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some replacement ones for a good price and quick shipping as well. Now what we have here, we're going to come in the cabin of your F-150. In the cabin, guys, in the passenger side, in the footwell, and you remove that cover here by the kick panel, you're going to see a fuse box, guys, that looks just like this one, and that's the fuse box that we need right here. So that fuse box, guys, okay, will look just like this one once you open it. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuse for the airbag module. Now, which fuse we need to check here specifically? If we come right here on the very left row, we're going to zoom in so you can clearly see that you have numbers next to the fuses. So the fuse that we need to check for the airbag module, it's a small 5M fuse. That's fuse number 35, that fuse right here that you will need to check specifically for the airbag module. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.